In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pricing tables to ClickFunnels. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have an interactive pricing table embedded on your page without writing any code. First, head to a pricing table builder, such as Common Ninja Pricing Tables. In the builder, set up your plans, features, and prices. Think about the questions a visitor might have when comparing your offers. What's included? What's different? And which plan is recommended? Give each plan a clear name, list the key features in plain language, and make your pricing easy to scan. If the builder offers options like highlighting a most popular plan or toggling monthly versus annual pricing, use them to guide decisions. Keep the design clean with good contrast and concise descriptions so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. When your table looks the way you want, save your widget. Then click Add to Website and select Copy Embed Code. This will give you a small snippet of code, usually a script tag and a div, that pulls your table into any web page. Keep that code handy. You'll paste it into ClickFunnels in a moment. Now open your ClickFunnels page editor. Navigate to the funnel and the specific page where you want to feature your pricing. You might already have a section titled Pricing or Plans. If not, choose a section that makes sense in your page flow, typically after your core benefits and before your final call to action. Inside the editor, add a custom HTML or code element right where you want the table to appear. Drag the element into place and give it enough space so it doesn't feel crowded by other elements. This keeps the table readable and helps your visitors compare options without distractions. Paste the embed code you copied from the pricing table builder into the custom HTML box. Make sure you paste the entire code snippet, no missing characters, and avoid adding extra spaces or formatting. Once it's in, you should see a placeholder or preview inside the editor, depending on your settings. Finally, save your changes and publish the page. On the live page, your interactive pricing table will display exactly as you designed it in the builder. If something looks off, double-check that the full embed code is in place and saved, and that you added it to the correct element. That's all there is to it. You've created a polished, comparison-friendly pricing table and embedded it seamlessly into ClickFunnels, ready to help visitors choose the plan that fits them best.